What's up guys, my name is Marcel, welcome to another episode of our Getting Dressed series, and today I'm going to talk about my go-to summer outfit, which is why I have a little protein shake here. Pink straw, very important. Well, before we get started talking about today's process of how I got to the outfit that I tend to be wearing a lot, the style I'm wearing, I want to point out that I think today's comment responses towards the end are going to be pretty heated. I got a few comments that I'm very excited to respond to, so make sure to stick around until the end. But let's talk about the outfit, and a few of you thought, I'm reading off a script. I literally am looking at this with you like the first time as I talk about it, so we're gonna do that right now. Right now. Starting with a pair of white shorts. These are white ripped shorts from Express. Now I've mentioned many times I'm not the biggest shorts fan, but I don't know. This summer, maybe it's hotter, maybe I just feel different about them, but I wear shorts a lot more and I really like the fit of these. They have a little bit of stretch, so they're comfortable, and I wear them a lot. And then the combination of a pair of shorts, in this case the white ones, but it's just shorts in general, with a white ripped tank top. I know it's called a wife beater, sometimes I refer to it. I hate that name too, I'm sorry if I do, it's just like ingrained in my brain. I try not to use that term, but then we have too much of a white look, so I try and base that off with a printed short sleeve shirt. Short sleeve shirts are another thing that I don't really love wearing so much, but this summer I keep grabbing one, and this one happens to be from Express as well. It's a navy base with a pink-white flower print, which I think is super classy. I tend to roll up just the sleeves once, maybe twice, and then unbutton heavily, which I like that aesthetic, and with the tank top underneath, you're not exposing yourself too much, so it's a little bit more of a decent look. Then I like to play with color and balancing the color throughout the outfit. So with the white base that you guys just saw, I now am wearing navy shoes with it, and important, especially in the summer, it looks like I'm wearing no socks, but wear no-show socks. These are from Uniqlo, I swear by them, they're awesome. The old school Vans are quickly becoming a favorite in my closet as a budget option for sneakers in the summer especially, and a look that is still fairly simple here, needs a bit more, so I'm adding a few accessories, like these shades from Warby Parker. Now that they're in focus, you can take a look at them. You see I'm still playing off of the navy with the blue lenses, and a few rings from my buddy Ollie in London, my Piaget watch, and a bracelet that's a feather bracelet, so keeping all of the accessories in the silver, also a go-to set of mine. And yeah, that's pretty much the outfit, and a variation of that is what I've been wearing a whole lot every day of the summer. I really don't know what caused the change that I now am, more gravitated to shorts, or I really don't know what it is, but I've been loving this look. It seems put together, it's easy, it's layered, even though it doesn't make you too hot because everything's obviously super breathable, so you have a lot more room to play around with fabrics, prints, colors than you do if you just wore a t-shirt and a short. And I just have had, like I said, a lot of fun with it this summer. So if you guys want to have fun with it, keep it simple as a base and then experiment a little bit and color match with your sneakers and a shirt. That's a very easy way to rock this look. Check out my video on how to style shorts, which I recently put up. There's a few options there, not all according to this pattern, but a few more things that I think you might get inspiration from. Now, as always, a getting dressed video means a getting dressed cinematic short. So enjoy that in 3, 2, 1. I hope you guys enjoyed that cinematic and the video as a whole, so let's jump right into responding to the comments from the How to Style Shorts video, the one I just referenced in this video. We'll go through, I just have my phone right here, so I'll go through it as I see fit. SCD Observer, a big member of the ODS squad, commenting a lot. He's saying, very brave, know that shorts are not your cup of tea, but you still nail the suggestions with a few surprises that I don't know would go together. Awesome, thank you. And thank you for watching enough to even know that. I just called it out in the video again. I don't usually go for shorts. Like I said, it's just something, it's like, maybe I'm just trying to push myself. I'm having fun with it. I hope you guys are too. And I know from a utilitarian standpoint, shorts are the best option for the summer. So I'm glad you guys are liking it. Breaking chains, I actually woke up. I saw that comment and I had to laugh. I need to start over. Breaking Chains said, I just woke up and was still groggy, so your plan scared me because I thought my phone had crashed. Which, it's not even my plan, but I just so get it. Like I looked up and I was like, oh, like I feel you. It's not my plant. It's the old studio. We've been telling the studio to water that freaking plant, and they don't do anything. Alsakan wants to know, where's the shirt from the Q&A section from? I need to scroll actually quick. That's from Zara. Like earlier this year. I'm hoping they still have it in the store. It would probably be in the sale section by now, so if you check out your local Zara store, maybe you'll find it there. Richard Kumi says, best fashion channel. Yes, that's what I'm going for. Thanks. Alright, then we got a comment from I am Rio P. Loved what you did with the yellow bucket hat and the Vans, but the plaid shirt made it all pop. Good stuff, man. By the way, the plant in the corner has seen better days. Hello, great bit. Yes, like I said, no, my plants are thriving because my girlfriend's taking care of them. The yellow bucket hat and the Vans. Thanks, man. Like, I actually agree. I liked when I put it together, literally, like right over there, I put that outfit together, and I was like, yeah, the bucket hat and the Vans is an easy call. But then I tried on another plaid shirt and that didn't quite work, and I just tried the other color and it like worked, and like my girlfriend and her mom were here. They were like, yes, yes, because they're both Brazilian and they fuck with the heat, you know. So thank you. I'm glad you liked it as much as they did. Lucas Emmanuel said, in Brazil it's like 10 degrees Celsius right now, so that's like what, 50 Fahrenheit. But I'll certainly wear the second outfit in a New Year's Eve, you know, white brings good energy, good vibes from Brazil. First of all, good vibes back to Brazil, like I just said, my girl's from there, so like I need to go visit very, very soon. And I like the little chain that started happening, like, oh, saludos desde Mexico, hermano, say Los Latinos. Yeah, freaking awesome. Stephen Hensley said, the opening outfit is my dad's outfit for the past 30 years. He's a cool dad though, thanks. I think I'll be a cool dad too, at some point. Hanok Tamu said, was about to go to bed and start your video. I couldn't scroll, watched it, and impressed. Keep doing it. Love from Nepal. Thank you, man. It means a lot if you forego your sleep to watch my videos. I appreciate that. Can you do a full review on the Orlebar Brown swim trunks? I think those trunks are awesome. Nice video, by the way, says Joshua Mojica. Thanks. Yeah, I can. We recently did the swim shorts on a budget video, and I asked whether more people wanted to see like a more higher priced video version of that. So Orlebar would definitely be all over that. I love that brand, as you guys may know, and if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, make sure to change that. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen my photos from the trip that I did with Orlebar Brown to Mystique Island, which was incredible, and I honestly, like, I had an amazing time just creating content, and this has been my job for 6 years, so every now and then it gets a bit like, I gotta take a photo. There it was so easy, so like, follow me, check out my Instagram. If you haven't seen those photos, check them out. I really think you're gonna like them. No Crease Lucas wants to know what my thoughts are on the CDG Converse, whether they're too trendy for me or no. I have a pair. I wear them not so much as of recent, but I had a phase. But that's like me with shoes in general. I have like phases with shoes, so I wear them for like a month straight, like every other day, and then I don't. I love them. Keep rocking them. Not too trendy by any means. No, have fun with it. Zeus111 said he usually loves my styling, but most of these missed the mark. Some of them look like an American tourist visiting the Eiffel Tower for the first time. Okay. I mean, I disagree. I see where you're coming from though. Yeah, dude, it's all good. I mean, honestly, like, something I learned is you can never please everybody, so I try and be as versatile with my style that's authentic to me, and hopefully, you know, reaches different views at different times. So if this one's not it for you, that's all good, man, but thank you for watching anyway. Two more, and I'm glad you stuck around till now, because what I've got to say I feel is like a more important response. One was Harry Brown said, real men don't wear shorts, ... and that's a fact. The fact is that that's an opinion, first and foremost. Second, where did you get that opinion from? Why is that? So men have to suffer in the summer? Because no, That's complete shit. And you know I don't curse too much on my channel, but that's complete shit. So no, I didn't block it because I didn't remove that comment. Usually I remove comments like that are just not sensible and you know, quickly described. But I wanted to make a point, so you know, please don't let people like him get to you in their opinion. And then last but not least, we have TV Digest who commented, looks like you are jealous of Alpha M, just to remind you that he's at 5.2 million. Bro, don't spread negativity about other YouTubers, always speak positive about other people. Dude, I absolutely agree. I think if you watch my channel, and I hope all of you guys that are watching right now agree, I'm all about spreading positivity, not negativity. I don't think I'm jealous. Like, would I want to be at 5.2 million? Of course, but like, would you? Yeah. So like, that's not really the point. The point is, and this is a response to my comment section previously, where I pointed out that a few people had left comments on the video. Oh my god, this is like the Matrix. On the video prior, saying I was a douche and I was douchey, or like it's whatever, because I was wearing shades inside. And like, my argument was simply that you should just not be judgmental towards people. You never know. Like, what if I forgot? What if I'm photosensitive? What if I have a big nose that's scoot? Like, what if they have prescription? You don't know. Like, that was the only point I was trying to make. So please don't think that was a negativity towards the other channels. I have nothing but respect. Many of the people that have been doing it for years are in the place they're at for a reason. I see that. So no disrespect here. And thank you for the reminder to stay positive and speak positively about others. I hope you guys liked today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today's comment section was a little bit longer now that we had a little bit more, you know, to talk about. But I'm looking forward to reading more of your comments. Make sure to leave them, because now I can actually a little bit more elaborately respond to them. So thank you guys one more time for watching. As always, stay dapper.